goodbye for now.
Are you going to tell me about the tow car?
No.
Oh. Okay. Was that a surprise?
Yes.
Oh. Sorry.
Quite a nice looking little motor car. And really quite compact. You can see now I've shut the driver's door. You can see the profile of the vehicle from the side as well. Looking good. So we bought a little car, and here is Ethel. Ethel. And we called her Ethel for one reason, and I'll let you guess why. And thanks to Paul, who sourced this little car for us. We're going to be moving on to the next step now, which is getting the A-frame sorted out, and we'll be Posh Cat's happy. Here's the towing kit. Well, there's Bertie and Ethel on the driveway, and Ethel is now off to have her little conversion. And I've just been up to Halfords to get the good old number plate. There we go, all ready for the back of the car. Well, today I'm at the Barley Green garage in Stradbroke with Rob Burton, and he's been fitting our little Skoda Citigo, we call Ethel, with all the A-frame and the towing kit and all the infrastructure we need to be able to tow our little car behind the motorhome. I'll explain more about that in a later vlog, but let's take a little look at our unit now with the car on the back of the motorhome. Home again now. I've had quite a long day collecting the little Skoda, what we call Ethel, from the garage where she's been for the last 3 or 4 days having her conversion done. We also had the Easter break, so she was away for a little longer than we were expecting, but she's back now on the drive just over here. We're just having a gorgeous sunset behind our house here, which is difficult to see on camera, but there's a little Ethel on the driveway, parked next to little Pee-wee the Mini, and of course Bertie in the background there as well. Had a little practice of fitting the A-frame onto the motorhome and getting it off again this evening. Really easy to do once you know which buttons to press and which little gadgets to switch on and off in order to make the car tow correctly behind the motorhome. All that was explained to me by Rob this afternoon, which is really helpful indeed. I'm going to take a little more time to show you each of the components in another vlog, but I thought that a little time had gone by since we last spoke about having a tow car, and you're right up to date now with where we are with it. We are actually going out with the car and the motorhome next weekend, so in the next 10 days or so you should be able to see some pictures of us towing a little Ethel behind the motorhome, and we'll be able to tell you how we're getting on with it once we start using it a little more. And then in May we have a long trip planned to South Wales, and we're going to try and visit the Gower and the Brecon Beacons. So we've got all that to look forward to. Bertie and Ethel will both be coming along for that trip. So until then, we'll bid you goodbye.